Want this? Follow me. Take your clip. Make a cut every time when the frame moves. Once done, make every small clip into one frame only because the whole clip consists of only one frame. Delete the empty space and nest all clips together. Place a black video next to it whose length is about triple or quadruple of our nested clip. Nest both of them and apply TWIXTOR Pro Effect to it and just copy my settings. Plugin's link is in description. While changing the speed, make an empty keyframe first and then make another keyframe with decreased speed.
Here comes the sponsor, A-Juice, who make plugins, not juice. A-Juice is having a 99% discount on their I Want It All bundle, where you can get transitions like these and much more. They also have a free pack for people like me. You can use my coupon code 7MAY on their product to get 10% off. The link is in the description.
While changing the speed, make an empty keyframe first and then make another keyframe with decreased speed. And that's it. Well then, goodbye for now and see you in another video.